What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another reel unboxing. Today I got a little special treat, so I decided to pick up a Daiwa baitcaster finally. Now I do have a Daiwa spinning reel set up. It's the Pro Scion. I think it's like 5 something gear ratio, but today I finally decided to pick up a Daiwa baitcaster because I have heard nothing but good things. And at the Bassmaster Classic, this reel was launched, the Daiwa Tatula, and I got the Tatula 150HS. To give you guys some quick background on this reel, it's a 7.3-to-1 max drag. I don't know, it doesn't really say on this, but it can hold 150 yards of line. That's a huge jump off from the regular Tatula, which is maybe I forget what spool size on it, but you basically can cast out, you basically spoil yourself. With this, it gives you 150 yard or 150 size spool. So if you get the specs on this, 12-pound line, about 160 yards, or 160 millimeters, sorry, 175 yards. So you can hold definitely a lot more line on this reel. Has the TWS T-WING system, terminate grade drag, mag Z-force, air rotation. But let's get beside the point. I know you guys want to see what the reel actually looks like, so get into the box right here. So this packaging is the basic Daiwa. So you get the reel inside, which is right here, and then you get the manual, and that's all you get inside the box for Daiwas. So with this reel, right away, it's matte black. So this thing is pretty beautiful, matte black. It's simple. It has the Daiwa Tatula emblem logo right there on the top hand, or top right of the hand, or the face of the reel. TWS on the side, and then what's pretty sweet, it has the TW logo right on the spool tension knob. Daiwa on the side, and then you have your brake system, magnetic brake system right there on the side. This reel is actually made in Thailand, as I say on the bottom. It has the gear ratio on the side, 7.3. And then the drag system, it's pretty solid. I like it. And then something that's different about this reel for Daiwa, usually the spool tension has the clicking tension system, so you can just adjust it just slightly, but this doesn't have that. So setting your spool tension is going to be a little bit different, not precise, but I still love it. Then it has the engage bar, pretty solid. It's mixed between metal and a plastic frame right there. And then you have the spool right here. As you can see, it's pretty much basic to other Daiwas, but as you can tell in this frame right here, it is a lot deeper. So you can fit a lot more line. This is going to be good for maybe deep diving, cranking, spinner baits, chatter baits, frogging, anything you want to do that you want to bomb out a cast. This reel is for you. So again, the T-WING system. So far, I've used it for a good weekend's trip. I absolutely love it. It's smooth, it's fluent, it casts effortlessly. And I'm coming from Shimano, so this reel, I can tell you, it casts beautifully. I caught a giant 5.5 pounder on this, and a 3.75 pound smallmouth, and absolutely just cranked them into the boat. I was using 7-foot medium heavy rod, casting probably 1/8, 1/4 spinner bait, throwing a tube light, small tube, a small jig, and it did wonders. So you can also use this for finesse setups. You just have to tune it up a little bit right. Crank the brakes up a little bit with the MagForce brake system. But other than that, this reel is pretty good. I love it. I have a few Corrado Ks that have the matte black. This is just like that. It's beautiful. I love the Tatula logo on the front. Has a tattoo on the side. Decent size handle. And something about the Daiwa reel knobs I actually like. They have these on the spinning reel that I have my Procyon. So I love that also. There's nothing but good things I have to say about this reel. I love it. If you guys want to pick this up, you guys can get it from Tackle Warehouse or any local tackle shop that you can find these. These are going to be everywhere. I got mine from Tackle Warehouse. So if you guys want to give this, I'll leave a link down below for Tackle Warehouse's site so you can go give it a purchase. This reel retails for about 150, 160 bucks. So it's a good, decent end reel for the mid-range setup. Throw on maybe like a $180 rod or your favorite rod, and this is a go-to. But I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing and little short review of this Daiwa Tatula. Hope you guys enjoy this. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and leave comments down below what you think of this reel. And I'll catch you guys on my next reel unboxing.